Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for March 27th, 2023. First Citizens to acquire Silicon Valley Bank. First Citizens Bank Shares Inc. said Monday that it would buy the deposits and loans of bankrupt Silicon Valley Bank, closing the chapter of the confidence crisis gripping global financial markets. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which took control of SVB earlier this month, said in a separate statement that as part of the deal, it received rights to raise First Citizens Bank shares with a potential value of up to $500 million. First Citizens said the deal was structured to maintain its strong financial position, and the combined company remains resilient with a diverse loan portfolio and deposit base. As part of the deal, the First Citizens Bank and Trust Company unit will take $110 billion in SVB assets, $56 billion in deposits, and $72 billion in loans. The bank will also receive a line of credit from the FDIC to provide contingent liquidity and will have a loss-sharing agreement with a regulator to provide additional protection against potential credit losses, the statement added. Saudi Aramco signs deal to build a refinery in China. Saudi Aramco signed an agreement Sunday with Chinese partners to build a refinery and petrochemical plant in northeast China set to begin in 2026 to meet the country's growing demand for fuel and chemicals. The project in Panjin, Liaoning province, will be Aramco's second major investment in refining and petrochemicals in China and follows the world's leading oil exporter reporting record profits of $161 billion in 2022. The joint venture Huajin Aramco Petrochemical Company (HAPCO) will build and operate the complex, which will include a 300,000 barrels per day refinery and a cracker with an annual production capacity of 1.65 million tons of ethylene and 2 million tons of paraxylene, Aramco said in a statement. The project is expected to cost 83.7 billion yuan, $12.2 billion. Construction of the complex will begin in the second quarter after the necessary administrative approvals are obtained, Aramco said. The plant is expected to be fully operational by 2026, it added. G7 to cooperate on tighter regulation of crypto. At the next G7 meeting, 7 major democracies may advocate for a stricter regulation of cryptocurrencies around the world, Kyoto News Agency reported March 25th. Together, the leaders of Japan, the US, Britain, Canada, France, Germany, and the European Union will outline a strategy for cooperation to increase transparency on crypto and strengthen consumer protection, as well as address potential risks to the global financial system, Kyoto officials said. This year's summit will be held in Hiroshima in May. Among G7 members, Japan already regulates cryptocurrencies, while in the European Union, regulation of crypto asset markets, MiCA, is due to take effect in 2024. The UK is gradually developing its crypto system. A special category for crypto assets in tax forms was recently introduced, and plans are underway to create a digital pound sterling. Canada views digital assets as securities, and the United States is currently applying existing financial rules to cryptocurrencies, with some expecting lawmakers to develop a regulatory framework for crypto in the coming months.